That's it.
Yeah, they're making it has a history. Like, after
Polar
World
bear.
War II,
Wow,
they
look at
kicked
this.
all the Japanese out. They were still
Check it out, Prince's house. Wow. See, that's one thing I do like about Korea. Koreans are very enthusiastic about stuff like this. Kind of innocent, if you will.
I guess because back in the day they just did nothing but work. So now
Things I do like about Korea is the enthusiasm for stuff like this. I was talking to Draco's. He met some Germans recently in Thailand. It's like, Germans, dude, I've always gotten along with them, but man, they are just like dark, depressed people, man.
they love Thailand. They're crazy. Germans are the main impregnators over there. I don't know how to explain it, but Germans love brown women.
Oh, I like that.
I think a lot of people like brown women.
Yeah. I mean, like brown Asian women.
Well, that's what I mean. Look. Oh yeah, we got Oz here.
Oh, chopper.
Wow.
Oh, that's a set.
Look at this. Yeah, you got all this stuff in here. Want to? Wow. Pretty cool. Cute. Overly priced.
Yeah, a little bit pricey.
Like mega overly priced. Mega. Wow. There you go. Sexy bouncy booby fighter toys.
I got a couple at home, like sexy. I got a sexy fighter.
I bet you do.
I got one of these. I got a Nami. Yeah. One of these. In Japan, they're like $5. Probably not even that much.
Oh crap, we got about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Star Wars Pirates. Oh yeah, I know. I think my kid might like coming here. I know some guys that'd like to come here.